Hello, this is Magdalene Franklin. You're welcome to this baking course. I'll be showing you on how to do a simple sponge cake. And you know you can use sponge cake for various events, for your weddings, for your anniversaries, for your birthdays, even at home. So I'll get to tell you the different ingredients you need for this baking process, the tools you need, and also how to go about it. Stay glued. To help you bake this sponge cake, you need some ingredients and some tools. So we have 8 basic ingredients you need. The first is the flour, we have the sugar, butter, salt, flavor, preservative, baking powder, and your egg. So very quickly, let me tell you what this does. The flour actually adds foam to your cake. The sugar is a sweetening agent. It makes your cake sweet, right? Then the butter here also adds foam just like the flour does. Your salt adds taste to your cake. It also helps to regulate the sugar level in your cake. Then the flavor gives this, Then the preservative helps to extend the shelf life of your cake so it doesn't get to spoil very quickly. Your baking powder helps to make your cake rise. It's actually a rising agent, just like sugar is a sweetening agent. Then your egg here also adds foam to your cake, just like the other two. So we just get to the different tools you need. This is a table mixer. It operates with electricity. But if you do not have this at home, you can use a spatula, a wooden spatula. This, what you use as turning stick. You also have this plastic spatula, which would help you scrape the sides of the bowl while you're turning. We have the egg whisk. This is used to whisk your egg. If you do not have this, don't cry. We have the fork, your eating fork. You can use that. You have the sieve here, which would use to sieve your flour to get rid of some dents, some dirt in the flour. You use this for that. So let's move up to the next.